Hey there, Mr. Bald here. I'm out at the lake, checking out our pickleweed planting. So these are young plants that we're trying to grow. You can see right here, we got our 3 pens right here to keep the geese out. Here's one of the restoration areas that we'll be monitoring. Hey there. Mr. Hopkins is even here hanging out. There we go. So I'm just kind of giving you a little tour of what we've been doing. Now remember, we planted some pickleweed outside of the pens as a control to see the difference if the pens actually help it grow or not, and also in different elevations. If it's closer to the lake, depending on the tidal flow, which one will be more effective. So just giving you a quick tour. Here's another viewpoint right over here. You can see, you know, there is going to be some urban runoff around here. We'll be cleaning this area and monitoring as well. But it is a beautiful sunny day. I know I have rain coming. The salinity last week was about 32, so pretty salty. So if I come and check out the water quality this week, maybe you can guess what the salinity would be. Yeah, so that's just kind of like the Lake Merritt update, and I'll see you guys this week.